Hello everybody! So ngayon guys, magluto tayo dito ng muffin mix or oatmeal muffin. So meron ako dito muffin mix from Cookie Crumbles. CookieCrumbles.ca. Yan. So this is muffin mix. Dagdagan ko na lang ito ng mga ingredients. So I have here the ingredient. Mayroon ako dito 1 cup of milk. Lagay ko dito sa mug. So, yan. At saka, we need sour milk. So, para magiging sour milk, ang 1 cup of milk, lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon vinegar. So, yan. So, that will become sour milk. Okay. So, ang instruction dito is mix together 1 egg, 1 cup sour milk, this is the sour milk, and 1/3 cup oil. 1/3 cup oil. So, pwede siguro 1/3. Okay, ito 1/3 cup. Okay. 3 1/4 cups of dry mix. So, at saka, meron din, pwede rin dagdagan mo ng banana or chocolate chips. 1 banana and 1/2 cup chocolate chips. But I don't have chocolate chips, so I only have banana. Pwede rin ang idagdag mo 1 chopped apple with 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon or 1/2 cup coconut with raisin or raisins. Ano yan? Dates. Oh, pwede din yan. So, my option is to add 1 banana. So, 1 banana. Okay. Unahin natin ang banana. Ilagay sa banana. Lagyan natin ng milk. Ano, ang ilagay ko muna is ano man ang iunahin natin. Mix together 1 egg. Ay, ang eggs. Nasaan ka na eggs? Okay, ito ang egg. Maliit man ang egg. Okay. So, this is our egg. And the sour milk. And then the 1/3 cup of oil. Yan. Saka, meron pang konti. Saka, halo-halo natin. Then, we need 3 1/4 cup dry mix. So, dagdagan natin dito sa dry mix. 3 1/4. Sakman. So, it's 3. So, this is our mix. Okay. Yep. Dapat puno talaga. Punuin natin. That is 1. Aso-aso. 1. Okay. 2. Marami pala itong isang packet. 3. And 1/4. So, ito ang 1/4. Okay. Yan na. Done ka. So, i-mix natin. Wala man tayong mixer. Unmixer naman to. No need naman. I'm planning to use the very small oven. Kasi sayang naman ito ilagay mo sa malaking oven. We will cook this mixture and the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So 15 to 20 minutes, and then the temperature will be 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So, yeah. So, ito ang binili ko. This is what I bought because you can put it like anywhere. Supposed to be, I plan to buy the tray kasi meron akong malaking tray, hindi naman magkasya. So, I just use the single ones. So, it can easily be distributed anytime, anywhere, any place. And there you go. So, in one setting, in one cooking, you can have 9 wraps, or maybe you can add one more. I'll see if I can add one more. Where is that? Meron akong 12 pieces pala. Pwede ba isang one? Okay. Ayan guys, this is actually a silicone one. So, ang gagawin natin is, lagyan natin ng, ito, anong tawag nito? Lagyan natin itong baking cups. Ay, hindi na pala pwede. Pwede na pala ito, walang ano. Ito ang baking cups na ilagay ko. Oops. So, that's it. Now, it's time to fill this one. Okay. Let's start. Uy, tanggal man. Uy, nahulog man si. Dapat kutsara. I'll get. My muffin ready to bake. Okay, so for now guys, I will preheat my oven with 400 degrees Fahrenheit heat temperature and for 10 minutes. Then cooking will start after 10 minutes. Okay, so I will show you again later. Bye bye. So guys, naluto ng aking muffin. Ito na siya. Tingnan niyo. Diba? Yan. Oh, diba? Diba marami? Marami, no? Yan. So, kuha lang kayo isa-isa lang. Sample-sample. Tikim-tikim lang muna. So, that's all for my vlog today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye, everyone. Be safe and have a nice day. Bye-bye.